CBSE question number 2025. What is given? Tell me.
Object distance.
What is object distance? So write object distance. U is okay. Next.
Focal length.
Okay, focal length. What is focal length? It is represented by F. Next. What we have to find? To find right image distance, right? Now let's move on to the solution. How can we solve it? What is mirror formula? Mirror formula. One by V. Okay, next. Okay, I'll put all the terminologies. We'll bring this 1 by U this side. So 1 by V becomes 1 by F minus 1 by U. Right? Now 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15. Which one? Which one? Yeah, I was waiting for that. You made a mistake again. Focal length is minus. Okay. By? Okay. So now this becomes 1 by minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Right? So substitute. What is the LCM of 10 and 15? Do it. If you don't know, nothing wrong. What is LCM? 5 into 2, 10 into 3, 30. So your LCM is 30. Now, see, 15 is 2 times minus 2 plus 3. So what is 1 by V? 1 by 30. So what is V now? Done. Done. We'll go for next question. Magnification. So every image has magnification. So we'll first just wind up as already we have discussed yesterday. So we'll just deal with the formulas first. Okay. So the formula for what is magnification? It is represented by small m. Don't write. First listen. Okay. So here the formula is h of I divided by h0. So this formula remains same for both mirrors and lens. So which is going to taught today, okay? Understand? There is one more formula for magnification. So you know that we have some cases like yesterday we dealt. So if this is a convex mirror, okay, right? This is P, principal focus. This is focus, principal focus, and this is center of curvature, right? So we had a question that if you place the image at F, if you place an object at F, what will happen? Yesterday we studied some rules. So here it will go, it goes parallel, it goes through F. This is one ray, and what is the second one? Okay, it goes through P. So does they meet? Where does it meet? At? Am I right? Please check. Yesterday you drawn, you have not drawn? Otherwise, you see, rather than this, I taught you master formula. What is that master formula? Yeah, you will mark P, you will mark F, you will mark C. So first case is at infinity, that is a special case, we deal it later. So first one is beyond C, so the image will be in between F and C, and which is diminished, it is not of same size. Next, you keep at C, both object and images are same size and lie on the same point, that is center of curvature. Next, if you keep an object between C and F, it will be beyond C, and it is just enlarged. So if you keep at F at infinity, highly enlarged. So if you keep it between P and F, you will get a virtual image which is also enlarged. So this is the master formula. So this enlarged, can you tell it as magnified? Right? So you know that when a ray of light hits on a surface, reflecting surface or a concave mirror or convex mirror, whatever it is, so it will produce the objects mostly inverted, but in only one case it makes an image which is in the erect image, but also it is on the other side of the image, it is a virtual image. So these are all real images, these are all virtual images. So you know that some point we are getting magnified, some point we are getting diminished. So how can we calculate that how much it has magnified or how much it has diminished? So for that only we are going into through the concept called as magnification. So you know how the waves, how the object is getting, how the image is getting magnified, right? Now you are just applying the magnification. So there are two formulas, that is this one. Now you see, so this is what it represents. Okay, this is a convex mirror. This is P, this is F, and this is C. Let us take a case which is between CF. So your image is enlarged. So we can say that this is the height of object and this is height of image. So that is the formula it represents. Do you understand? So now next, if you are going for, like you don't know the heights in some cases, right? Then what can we do? Okay, right? You know the image distance. And in convention, the first rule says that all the measurements of any focus, principal focus or center of curvature or image or object, it should be measured from the principal pole, that is pole. So now you tell me how. The next formula, minus V by, is it right? If If you are confident, tell me it is right. Okay. Let's see after solving a problem. So this is a small concept in addition to the yesterday's concept which we left. So we'll solve one or two problems and then move. Please note down. H is equal to height of image. And you write an example also next to it. So it will be very useful for you. That's why you should make a master sheet, which I suggested yesterday. Any one example you can draw, otherwise you leave it. Go for the question. CBSE 2025. Right? A convex mirror used for rear view of an automobile has a focal length of 1.5 meters. If a 3-meter high bus located at 6 meters from the mirror. Use the mirror formula to determine the position and size of the image of the bus as seen in the mirror. Image of the bus as seen in the mirror. Done. CBSE 2025. What is the given data? Huh? Which one? Okay, thank you. So we'll go with the question. What is given data now? focal length f, right? Focal length 1 point. Okay, next, height of object hi, which is object height. Okay, HO, what is object height? 3 meters. Like, next, what is that? What is that? What does it represent? U is? Okay. Always I'll tell you one thing. Before proceeding to the formula, in the given data itself, you should be able to identify the sign convention of the list of terminologies. If you miss any one of this, then your answer is wrong. The effort you made is completely zero. So, what is the given data? Is it right? Which one? What is the type of lens? Convex is positive or negative? Okay. See, this is the third problem you are making the mistake. So please keep in mind, if you do, you should not make silly mistakes even though you know the concept. To find, what we have to find it? So height of image. This is first one. Next one, that is V. Now, you are not going to write. Just concentrate on the question. Okay. Solution. What is the solution? What is the solution? First we will use mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? Yes. Okay. Next. Okay. So now 1 by V becomes okay. What can we do? How? How? You can write like this, right? How? This is math. This is not physics. You have to do it. This is basic math. So he has brought max here. So okay, I will consider that you have calculated the LCM and it is what is 1 by V? This is 6. This is 4. 1, which is, so what is V? We can keep that as it is because you are going to find another part of the question. What is that? How can we find it? Use the magnification formula. Using right? We're using magnification formula. What is the magnification formula? M is equal to Hi by H0. So do you know magnification value? Then, so as we don't have one option, we can calculate M with another formula, that is by the distance formula, minus V by U. So what is magnification now? What is V? Minus 6 by 5 divided by minus 6. 6 get cancels and m is 1 by 5. Then we use this formula. Consider this is 2 and this is 1. Apply equation 2 in 1. So magnification is equal to hi by h0 is a formula. So unit magnification, that is minus 1 by 5, is equal to, what is hi? Minus 6 by 5, right? It is not there. Okay. Now minus 1 by 5 is equal to hi by. So now hi becomes minus 3 by 5, right? So now you get a doubt whether the question which I have solved is right or wrong. Okay, let's see. This question, I taught you the concept, you solve the question by telling the values. Let's see. I'll remove this one, okay? Let's do it. So what type of a mirror it is? So convex, how it should look? Curved parts. So convex lens has only two cases. What are the two cases? At a finite distance, and another one is at infinity. So infinity, you know, it is like point size. But what about the finite distance? Somewhere here. Somewhere here. Beyond P, everywhere. Okay. It will be like this, right? When you put the ray parallel, it will go like this. Am I right? You can open the notebook if you want. Another one, can you pass through F? Is it enlarged? Who told it is enlarged? Am I right? The diagramming is right? That's why I have drawn. It is not inverted. List. But now it is a hack that how can you identify it? So rather than don't collapse with this one, you just draw the master diagram. Okay. This is P, this is F, and this is C. So when is diminished. So you have got the value of image in minus. What does the sign convention say? Going upward is positive, negative. So now, is this correct? But your answer? Okay. Then 3 by 5 diminished, right? But our answer is negative. So let's see for V, distance of. So image should be, this is positive and this side is negative. So we made somewhere mistake. Just find out. I'll do that. found?
The object is in the magnification.
Didn't understand.
The magnification. The object is touching the
Which one?
magnification.
Here. See? That's why I was expecting. Now? So it is very important to check the sign conventions. So the purpose I made you to solve this question is that you should be aware with the minus and plus indications. Okay. We take break for 5 minutes. I'm not feeling good actually. What is it like? Times. So you can take a look that if my image was your height of the image should be that is enlarged. Of this height. That is the next case. The first case. This stage one. What about case two? Now, so what we can say? Break of the image is image. So this some one more is minus point. You can make this one also one of your shot. So if you are getting your value is minus, then you can consider that image one somewhere. That is also a shot. Right? You can just open text view. Again, not to text.
influence by the
what is the diagram
object influence
object just like so what is the kind of mirror here? Now magnification and divide. Okay. Any other thing? Yeah. This is like your verification. There any option to write it, right?